Hey, what's up? This is 6.5 and I will be doing some tutorials on Waveform free. I personally think that this is the best free DAW on the planet. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple beat for free completely. And let's get to it. Alright, so I recently discovered this. In the corner here, you want to make a drum beat. In the corner here, there's all these different little things here: jungle, keys, lead, yada yada. And I saw Mumbathon. I'm from the Caribbean. Click here, and this is what you get. Now, I'm from the Caribbean, so I know this. They got a whole set of different things that you can get also, but this is most familiar to me. So what I do is take this and I drag it here, right here, so, and you can see the MIDI right here. Good. I go here and I drag this down here. This happens. It took me a while to really start enjoying Traction Waveform, and I cannot remember why. I thought it was like why you need all these steps to make a song, you know. But I don't know. I'm in love with it now. So here I made my own drum kit. A lot of preparation is needed before you do something in a DAW, and this is a music production thing on a whole. So let's see. Right. So I made my kit. Well, it's almost got this. I just put in 2 of these and a couple and something else. I can't remember what else I put in, but it's almost the whole 808 kit. But I put in, well, I named it this. I called it that. Right. So you have that. So now, Bram, play. You see, if I want to switch it, just do here and then press play. Sound totally different. Right. So let me put this back here to my personal drum kit. Now, if you want to stretch it, you go here and you stretch it to these. This is great. Or you can click on it. You can left click on it and press D. That simple. Backspace if you want to delete it. That simple. To loop it, you take the markers and voila. And then press this. I go into the big mode now. I call it the big mode. I don't really know the technical words for this. And now I'm going to create a bass. There aren't a lot of good free software for bass, unfortunately. This is one that's, well, decent. AP Ample Bass P Lite is free. You could get it from their website. I can't remember where I got it from, to be quite honest. Really, I can't remember. And shoot. This is what I want to do. What I personally did is, Serato has a free version and it has a bass that I really like. So what I did, I just sampled it. So I go here, go into not drum sampler. What are you doing, Demon? Click, move plugin. And probably there's an easier way to do this. It's just add plugin. It's just I am not totally familiar with this. I don't really sampler. I don't really use this that often, to be quite honest. But as right click, good, here it is. I just right click. I already made it and I assigned the lowest key here and the highest key here. Basically, I'll just go do this in another tutorial so that you will understand what's going on. But this is oh yeah, and this is another important thing. A lot of trains of thought making me forget where I was. Right, but it's really not my main DAW. I own Pro Tools, but I hardly use it, to be quite honest, because it's not as creative and intuitive as this. Me being a non-musical, moving from the keys, non-musical producer, I've made a good couple songs, and I know squat about music theory. Okay, so right, bass. Right, so I like that bass, and I can go here, make this big, and okay, what you gotta do now is go here. No, if you want a quick bass, this is so awesome. Again, this is for magnifying, and that is scroll. You use the scroll wheel on your mouse for that, or if you want to go up and down, you press on this or here, and then you go up and down. But there's no need to do that at the moment. So let me just cross here. All right, so bam bam bam. So that's like 2 bars. Yeah, 3 bars. Sorry, or 2 bars, depending on how you look at it. All right, insert a MIDI clip and go to pattern generator. This is where it gets beefy. Bass line and products and bam spladai. You have this ready to go. Blah, blah. See, 2 bars ready to go. Now again, there's a way. I will have to put a link on the guy who does the, let me see, go here, BB1, who does the tutorial, that you can actually save bass phrases, and I would have done that, and this is the result of it. What did I do? What did you do? 6.5. This is what you do. This is one of them, blacks, as you can see, and you go back to bass preset and press that, and there's a whole big bunch that came with it. It's good at finger bass, which is, well, pretty lousy. And let's see, back, play. See, like, what the heck, like, what's going on here? And all right, let me just do a little something here. 1, 5, give me 4 bars, splat, so a bit of that. Good. Right, so go back here, and this is what it sounds like. Right, so that's what it sounds like. No, I can stretch it. I can do this. I can stretch it as easy as that, so you don't have to worry about trying to find the right key and blah blah yada yada. If you want to change the key, you go right here and hit here. So you want it in, I don't know, G. Go with G and watch on the left hand. It changes splat eye, biggity bow, blah. Right. So you go that. Let me see. This is how it sounds. Good. So now you go to keys. Now I try to get as much free software as possible, because is, well, some of these things I own. It's the master, right? Because it's really hard to buy certain things, especially as a producer, and you got a very low budget. This is for those who have a very low budget and a very horrible computer. I have a old i3 from 2012 that the fan isn't working anymore, and so the processor is like crap and the memory is like crap. Right now I pushing 85%. Let me show you this here. This is Windows 7. So right, look at this, 85%, and I ain't even running nothing yet. Put this back over here. Anyhow, press OK, and this pops up. So, oh yeah, I think I know why you're running like this, because I got the video, the live video recorder running, also the screen recorder running. So yeah, normally this will push probably like 60%, 70% RAM. So anyhow, right. So this is the first that pops up. I'm going to go with keys, and this is for the chord progression. So what do you do? 6.5 with this clock here. Click. Thank you. You go here, drag this here, insert MIDI clip. Bam, 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 bam. You drag it right there, and then you go to pattern generator, select chords, and it's going to go exactly according to the key right here. So you don't have to try to put it in. It does that for you. So that's that. Click, play. Hear it? Alright, stop. Bye. I think I did something wrong. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Anyhow, so if you want to go up an octave, they got tutorials that do this already, you know. But well, since you're here, I'm going to show you. So you want to go up octave, clack, click, clack, click, go down octave, just press that. This I don't really want to move this, but this is to change the root note, I think, or to change the whole thing altogether. Anyhow, that's that. And then you have this spaghetti. And you don't have to worry about not having popular chord progressions, because well, this claims it offers all the popular chord progressions. So you can click here and it changes. Click, bam. Which really isn't the best idea, because now we got to go back and yeah, which isn't the best idea, and that's gonna suck up some time. Okay, so quick thing that I will have to do is this. Come down here, delete that. No, Damon, what are you doing? All we have to do is just get another one. Drag it here, MIDI, and it goes right back to normal. Can I drag you? Come on. Hit here, drag there. Bam, chords. There you go, back to normal. Play. No. Well, that's a kicker. Alright, delete. Alright, we'll go back to do what I was wanted to do. This, go down here, do that. So kids, this is what not to do. Alright, go to chords, and it's right back to normal. Bam. So there you have it. Simple beat. And one more thing before I go, is 12 minutes in. Let's do this here quickly. So I could put in another one, another synth thingy. Put in right another synth master, and right now my memory is like, no, please don't do this to me. Like, I don't care. Get a lead. Some of these, honestly, tones are crap, but it's free, so you just work with it. But it depends on what you want to do. Also, they can actually sound really good. So what I'm gonna do is drag this down here, right here, so, and then MIDI clip and hit here and scratch, split the bow. As you can see, the different colors so that you won't get mixed up. Right. Go to chords. This pops up. Then go to chord preset, and you could set your own rhythms if you want. I did a couple, and this is what I got. So, bam. Okay. Not sure. What on earth did I really do? What on earth did I do that happened? Okay, I can delete that, or I could just do the backspace. So I take this, press D, go down so that everything can be in line, because I don't know what I did, and I'm not doing back over 15 minutes of tutorial to find out. Alright, so you go to here, then you go to chords, and that happens, and you go there, and then right, N3. Good, click, bam. Let me see, I can change to say keys. There you go. A nice little pluck. This is what I used. Key saw pluck. And then you're gonna hear a little scratchy crumbling because my RAM is begging me to stop. So, chia boy. And that's how you create a simple song I did it in 15 minutes with a little bit of rambling. Thanks for watching, and I'm planning to do this more often because I just love teaching and I just love music and I just love knowing that people can make great music, and I voted for the underdogs. Yeah. Anyhow, 6.5 out. 6.5 is out. 6.5 is out. 6.5 is